Welcome to Beb's Adventure. The Master of Driving in Japan. Explanation of K-terms. Vehicles and similar refers to vehicles and streetcars. Vehicles refers to automobiles, mopeds, light vehicles, and trolley buses. Automobiles is a self-propelled vehicle that does not need to follow tracks or overhead wires. This term does not apply to mopeds, light vehicles, wheelchairs, and wheeled walkers or similar. Mopeds is a two-wheeled vehicle with a total engine displacement of 50 cc. Minicars refers to a motor vehicles with an engine displacement of 50 cc or less. Light vehicles refers to bicycles, including hybrid bicycles equipped with a low-output electronic motor, carts, trailers, sleds, and horses and cattle. Bicycle. Streetcars. Specified medium vehicles are defined as those vehicles with a gross weight of 8 tons to below 11 tons, a maximum payloads of 5 tons below 6.5 tons, or a seating capacity of 11 to 29 passengers. Small two-wheeled motor vehicles refers to irregular motorcycles with an engine displacement of 125 cc or less. Road or street. A road as defined by the Road Traffic Law, National Expressway, National Roads, Prefectural Roads, Municipal Roads. A road for automobiles as defined by the Road Traffic Law. A place traversed freely by people and vehicles. Public park and school gardens, open fields, private roads, the precincts of temples and shrines, may differ under certain circumstances. Sidewalk. A part of the road set apart for the use of pedestrian, delineated by a barrier such as a curb, fence, or guardrail. Roadway. A part of the road set apart for the use of vehicles, delineated by a barrier such as a curb, fence, guardrail, or a pavement mark. Main through lane of National Expressway. The part of National Expressway for high-speed traffic or the part of a motorways corresponding to this, not including acceleration lanes, deceleration lanes, side stripes, and road shoulders. The term expressway is used to refer collective to both national expressways and motorways. Bicycle path, a part of the road set apart for the use of bicycles, delineated by the barrier, such as a curb, fence, or guardrail. Pedestrian walkway, a road marked with signs prohibiting passage by vehicles in order to ensure the safety of pedestrians using it. Side strip, a part of the road at the edge set apart to allow passage by pedestrians and effective road maintenance if the road has no sidewalk, or if the road has a sidewalk on one side, on the side with no sidewalk, delineated by a white line. Pedestrian crossing, crosswalk, a part of the road designated by signs or pavement markings as a place for pedestrians to cross. Bicycle crossing, a part of the road designated by signs or pavement markings as a place for bicycles to cross. Pedestrians and bicycle crossing, a part of the road designated by signs or pavement markings as a place for pedestrians and bicycles to cross. Intersection, the part of the road where two or more roads meet. The roadway on roads with separated roadways and sidewalks, as an X crossing or T crossing. Road with right of way, A road marked with right-of-way sign shown below or one for which the center line markings are vehicular lanes continue uninterrupted through the intersection. Safety zone. A raised area or an area indicated by traffic signs and pavement markings in the middle of the road for the purpose of ensuring the safety of passenger boarding or disembarking from streetcars or pedestrian crossing the street. Vehicular lane. An area indicated by road marking as the part of the road designated for the passage of vehicles. Exclusive lane. Part of the vehicular lane indicated by traffic signs and pavement markings as designated for the exclusive type of vehicle. A streetcar track. Part of the road required for the passage of streetcars and consists of the area between the rails and an area 0.61 meters wide on either side of them. Signal. Traffic signal are electrical lamps used to regulate the flow of traffic on roads. Traffic sign. Signs are used to display regulations and other indications related to the flow of traffic on the roads. Pavement markings. Pavement markings are lines, symbols, letters, etc. formed on the road using paint, rivets, or similar used to display regulations and other indications related to the flow of traffic on the roads. Drive. The control of a vehicle or streetcar on the road. Park. The situation where the vehicle is stopped continuously in order to wait for passengers or cargo, or to load or unload cargo, not including cases where the vehicle is stopped in order to allow passengers to get in or out, or where the vehicle is stopped in order to load or unload cargo for 5 minutes or less. Into the situation where the vehicle is stopped and the driver has left the vehicle and is therefore unavailable to drive it. Stop. The situation where the vehicle is stopped but the term park does not apply. Slow down. A speed at which it is possible to stop the vehicle immediately. In general, a speed at which the distance from the point where the brakes is applied to the point where the vehicle stops is 1 meter or less, or a speed of 10 kilometers per hour or less. Overtake. When a vehicle changes lane to pass a vehicle traveling ahead. Pass. When a vehicle does not change lanes to pass a vehicle traveling ahead. Traffic pollution. Air pollution as well as excessive noise and vibration caused by road traffic that has a deleterious effect on the human health and the natural environment. Pedestrian. A person who traverses the road on foot. Person walking on the road. Person traversing the road in wheelchair. Steep slope. Generally, a steep slope is defined as a slope with an incline of 10% about 6 degrees or more. Gross vehicle weight. Gross vehicle weight, usually expressed in kilograms, equals vehicle weight plus maximum loading capacity plus weight of seating capacity, assuming of 55 kilograms per passenger. Total displacement. The total displacement is a figure used to express the size of the engine. It is usually expressed in cubic centimeters. The larger the total displacement, the greater the engine horsepower is torque. Rated motor output. The rated motor output is a figure used to express the output of a vehicle driven by a motorway. It is usually expressed in kilowatts.